guys, so we're gonna do an unboxing. 1/16 scale military truck from WPL. So it's a toy grade RC, but the thing is they're so real detailed. Okay, so let's check it out. Ooh. Ta-da-da. So the packaging is good. So we're gonna boom. Alright, so here the 1/16 WPL military truck. So first there's a remote, 2.4 gigahertz, but it's toy grade remote control. Okay, and accessories. So extra lip spring, USB charger, and side mirrors. So it's here, and little manual. Okay. All right. So that's a 1/16 scale. So tires, it's good looking in the front. So this guy is 4x4. If you can see the drive shaft there, and it's working. Very minimal lip spring suspension. Okay. So the frame, the main chassis is thin steel. Okay, let's try to open the battery. Squeeze it. Careful. There you go. Oh. Stop, man. Okay. So the battery is AA battery, cadmium, and so you have also a spare tire and working LED. So let's try to install the battery. Okay. Ooh. So I think the remote needs to have a battery too. So where can I find? Two AA. So I should have that one, I think. think I have. I'm just gonna borrow the battery on my, so that we can type. Oh, by the way, guys, I have a tarp for this. So it's a WPL also. So it's a 1/16 tarp. So later I'm gonna unbox this one too. Okay. Okay, let's try it. Oh, it's working. Now it's steady now. Oh, oh, oh. Let's see if it's moved again. Oh, oh, it's working. Oh, not bad. I think there's a problem with this steering. It's annoying. Oops. It's annoying. It's so noisy. Oh, I know. Maybe you need to charge. All right. Anyway, so here's the 1/16 scale military truck. I like it. Let's gonna try this one too. So guys, there's a 5 bracket, or I don't know what to call this one, and exactly put it here, just like that. Okay, like that. 2. That's the reason why I bought this military truck, because I bought this one first. Okay, now it's gonna install this one. Should be like that. Oops. There you go. See? There you go. And this one is go like this one. So although I need to tighten all this rope, so it's gonna be a good looking truck, a small truck. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna get the, I think, 1/14 scale. I'll check. See that? Oh, sick. See how big this? The daddy, the baby boy. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching.
Okay guys, so here the WPL 1/16 scale with the tarp, and okay, so ready to go. Bye bye.